In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a newsletter subscription system in HubSpot. Whether you're just getting started with your marketing efforts or looking to optimize your existing system, HubSpot offers a streamlined approach to managing your newsletter subscriptions. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide section. This is the perfect place to start because it gives you a comprehensive overview of the tools available in HubSpot and sets the stage for everything you need to do. Once you're in the trial guide, your next step is to click on the Settings option. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find all the configuration options you need to customize your HubSpot experience. After clicking on Settings, direct your attention to the Email section. It's crucial because managing your email preferences is at the heart of setting up a newsletter subscription system. Clicking on Email will lead you to further configuration options, specifically related to your newsletters. Now, look for the Subscriptions section and give it a click. This area allows you to manage various aspects of your email subscriptions and is vital for ensuring everything runs smoothly. Once you're in the subscriptions area, you'll need to click on Subscription Types. This step helps you outline the various categories your newsletters might fall into, whether it's a weekly update, special offers, or something else entirely. Identifying these types early on can help you initially categorize your future content more effectively. Now that you've selected subscription types, the next task is to click on Create Subscription Type. Taking this step is essential for customizing the different newsletters you wish to offer. Here, you can add all the necessary details to define what each subscription type will entail. It's a great way to ensure your subscribers know exactly what they're signing up for. Next on the list is Language. Click on this to tailor your newsletters to the preferred choice of your subscribers. It's an important step, especially in today's global market where accommodating multiple languages can significantly increase your reach and effectiveness. Following this, click on Subscription Name. This is where you'll enter a clearly defined and memorable name for each type of email content you plan to send out. The subscription name is essential for keeping your offerings organized and easily identifiable. Then move on to Description. Click on this option to provide a detailed explanation of what each subscription entails, enabling potential subscribers to make informed decisions. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the settings, you can click on Preview. This allows you to review your subscription types and make any necessary adjustments before finalizing everything. Previewing is a beneficial practice to ensure everything looks exactly as you want it to before going live. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to set up your newsletter subscription system in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to connecting with your audience more effectively and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing!